It's also worth mentioning all the extracurricular activities and events organized by the Turkish Language Program and the Center for Middle Eastern Studies. First, there's our weekly Turkish Tea and Conversation Hour, attended by intermediate and advanced level students of Turkish, as well as by native Turkish speakers. The Conversation Hour facilitates students' language practice and fosters intercultural dialogue and friendships. Intermediate and advanced Turkish language students have also created an online Turkish language newspaper called Türk Haber, and they've subtitled Turkish films. The Turkish Ottoman Lecture series is an interdisciplinary lecture series that carries out the Center for Middle Eastern Studies' mission of actively encouraging students, faculty, and community members to work comparatively across and beyond national boundaries. Since its inception, this lecture series has brought over 25 visiting scholars and artists to the UT campus to speak on Turkey and the Ottoman Empire. The Center for Middle Eastern Studies also hosted the Rethinking Ottoman Civilization Symposium in 2017 and the American Association of Teachers of Turkic Languages' 4th Annual Pedagogical Conference in 2019. The Islamic Studies and Middle Eastern Studies Graduate Colloquium provides regular opportunity for students, faculty, and staff across the university to present research on the study of Islam and the Muslim world, including the Ottoman and Turkic world. Dr. Sonia Seaman directs the UT Middle Eastern Music Ensemble and its Turkish language choir. Both are groups comprised of UT students, faculty, staff, and community members. The ensemble has 4 goals: to gain experiential understanding of the music and cultures of the Middle East, North Africa, and former Ottoman territories, to foster community outreach, to work with UT language and other classes, and to create a sense of community around musical performance. If you think you'd like to be part of the Turkish language community at UT and already have some experience with the language, be sure to sign up to take the Department of Middle Eastern Studies Turkish Placement Exam in late August. The placement exam determines which course in our department's language sequence is appropriate for you, based on your current level of proficiency. Credit for courses in the sequence that a student places out of may be granted if so desired. If you have further questions about Turkish studies at UT, please contact me, Dr. Jeanette Okur, at jeanette.okur@austin.utexas.edu. Thanks for listening. Hoşça kalın.